This is a quick demo of Transmon tool. I'm logging in using admin ID. Towards the left side, you have access to all the modules. What we'll do is that because it's a quick demo, we will skip explanation of the top 5 7 modules and we'll straight away go to how to create your sampling plans and generate samples. Now let's just say that if you want to create a sampling plan, choose the process for which you want to create it, give a name to the sampling plan. Let's just say that uh, AHT range is the sampling plan that I want to make, and this is the name that I want to give it. Now all I want to pass as a parameter is AHT, hence there is just one parameter that I've mentioned. AHT should be given in a text box and it should be a range, and that's the reason we have taken between as an option for value selection. We save this. Now what we've done is that we have created a sampling plan. Now if we have to generate samples, it is in this module. I come here and I say that the sampling plan that I want to use is AHT range. Let's say I want 100 samples to be picked from all the calls that were taken between 1st of March to 27th of March. Let the AHT range be from 100 seconds to, let's say, 800 seconds. And once I click on generate samples, it should give me the matching list of records. So although I asked for 100 samples, I've only got 47 because there were only 47 matching records that had AHT of 100 to 800 seconds in this date range. Now because I've completed my sampling, I go ahead and save this. And once this is saved, the next bit is how to allocate these samples to QAs. Here I select my process and it gives me 3 different options whether I want to allocate stuff to TL or to QAs. So let's just say that if I want to allocate stuff to QAs, I pick QA wise, and then here let's just say that I want to give samples to Nishu. There are 36 samples that I can give to Nishu. So for Nishu, and it is to be given to Nishu, so that's the reason I'm selecting Nishu at both these selections. Once the allocation is complete, it reaches the QA's bucket. Now what QA has to do is click on evaluate sample, choose the process for which the evaluation has to be done. If there is a transaction that QA doesn't want to audit, there is an option to skip that case. Let's just say that I want to skip this one. Just skipped it. Now let's just say that I want to evaluate the next one, so I click on the evaluation button and I follow my normal auditing process. Let's say it's a test audit, so I make all the selections, whatever campaign and whatever selections I have to make. Then this, I complete my auditing. Let's say there's just one negative mark for these 2 parameters. This is just as you audit on the Excel sheet, the same way you're auditing it here. This has a feature to voice record your feedback. Let me just do a test recording. A, B, C, D. This is just a test recording. Once this is done, I come down and click on save. Now my audit got saved. The score was 100%. So what we have done is that we've created samples and we've created a sampling plan. Then we also learned about how to allocate samples to QAs and how evaluation is to be done. In terms of reporting, you have dashboard section, and in dashboard section you have different types of reports available. Let's just say I'll just show you one, which is the CQ score and audit trends. Let's just say that you want to check from 1st of March to 27th of March how your CQ scores are trending day wise. So you get this graph both in terms of percentage and also in terms of numbers. Thank you. We will come back with few more videos explaining different other modules of Transmon.